Hey everybody, Chad here. I wanted to briefly talk about the Amazon Fire HD10 in show mode. On July 2nd, Amazon released a patch for the Fire HD8 and 10 for what they are calling show mode, to allow the tablets to operate in a similar fashion to the Echo Show. In order to make more money, Amazon is offering the show mode charging dock for the 7th generation Fire tablets. I was thinking about purchasing the dock for the 10-inch tablet when I realized I didn't need the dock to enable show mode. I've seen videos of people throwing these tablets on the ground without even scratching, so I don't think I need a case for the tablet. And I have a 3D printer, so I don't need a stand either. That's an easy $50 saved for the Fire HD10 and $35 saved for the Fire HD8. The only benefit to the tablets on the dock compared to the Show is the larger screen. Otherwise, the Show has an 8 far-field microphone array and 2 better speakers. Anyways, to enable show mode, simply swipe down from the top of the screen and activate show mode. Show mode settings can be found in the main screen of the settings app on the tablet.
Alexa, what's the weather like in Los Angeles?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 72 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies.
I'm not sure if there are any features that the Show offers that the Fire tablets cannot do in show mode, but I have noticed a slower response when using the wake word. I've been considering getting the Echo Show for a while now. With the price it's at now, $130, may be the last time I can get it so cheap. Maybe I can compare the Fire HD10 in show mode and the Show itself and report back. Let me know what you think of this video in the comments below, and check out my other videos. Also, subscribe for more tech and woodworking videos.